Turn his head into a thing. Opposition block, just like a player logo. Solid shit of politics, we shoot like
I just did a hair. Now I'm turned off. That was gross. Yeah. Is there a trash? Yeah, by the way, I'm a crip, but I wipe a nigga nose. I need you guys to know that real quick. I love you, Choppa. Choppa lit, bro. I don't even know him. I never talked to him. That's funny as fuck, though. Blueface funny as fuck, too, I think, honestly. Can't make kitchen, whip it up. Benny, I don't know. Fuck. Ready? 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 Yeah. 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 Yeah, bitch. Yeah. I'm a cup of tea and go yard. Who the fuck's out my door? What are you? Bro, I'm on live. You guys come on. Bro, you can't come to my crib. Bro, you can't come to my crib. Bro, you can't come to my crib. Bro, don't come to my crib. Don't come to my crib.
We're just talking, bro.
Bro, please, I don't want to talk. Please, I'm on live. Please,
I know, but we just want to talk.
Bro, please stop. Please, please.
Here to help you. That's it.
Bro, you're stressing me out. Feel my heart rate.
We're literally here just to talk to you. We just want to talk.
Please sleep. I'm not your little brother, bro.
No, but you are.
No.
I'm not saying you're my little brother.
You just said my little brother wants to talk to you.
I said brother to brother.
Oh, yeah, but I'm trying to talk to nobody.
All right, well, let's just talk for a little
bro,
bit.
what the
Just
fuck?
like
Text me. Just text me.
No,
bro.
you're on live, so you can't.
Bro, get the fuck out of here. Nikan, I'll call the police, bro.
And what?
Please. Come on, bro.
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, we just need to talk to you.
Bro, I'm having to, like, why are you doing this?
We just need to talk to you, that's it.
Bro, why y'all pulling up on me and
Because
shit?
we're here to help, bro. We
The
just want
fuck's
to help
wrong
you.
with y'all?
We want to help
What do
you.
you mean? Fuck's wrong? Like, why y'all pulling up on me? Like,
Bro,
what
what
the
do you-
fuck?
Bro, we're literally...
And, like, you forced your way in. No respect.
Bro, everyone is worried about you.
I don't care if you're worried, bro. I'm a grown man. I'm
That doesn't
24.
matter.
Yes,
No,
it does.
It doesn't, bro.
What you doing is not.
Bro,
What you doing is not.
this is not...
What am I doing?
This isn't cool.
Bro,
Yeah,
you're
faking
just-
shit every
bro,
single day is cool.
What?
Faking
that's-
videos every day.
Bro, you're showing drugs to kids.
All right, I'm done with that. I'm sorry.
No, but you're not done with that.
Kids, I don't have kid fans. I haven't had fans in years.
You don't have kid fans?
I do not have kid
You don't
fans.
have fans that are under the age of 18.
Nordan,
Man, a couple,
get
bro.
the fuck off live, bro.
Yeah, I have to now. It's my phone.
Let's get the fuck
Fuck out of here, bro.